Hi guys, so today I will show you our new garden. My husband and I and also my mother-in-law work so that our garden will be beautiful starting this summer until next year and following year. So we have this welcome signage. It means says tuloy po. It means please come in. So look at that, it's so beautiful. And then we have a hanging plants. This is an annual plant. So also this one and also this one. So for this year we learned that it's better to buy perennial flowering plants so that after summer, during winter, they will just withered, and but when fall or summer comes again, oh no, spring and summer comes again, they will again blooms flower. So this is chrysanthemum. Based on my research, it is a kind of perennial plants. So as the iris, lily, this one I forgot all the names of these three little plants, but yeah, based on I read, these are plants that are perennial, so hopefully they will last up to 3 to 5 years. So this is chrysanthemum also. This is like a dwarf pine tree. I forgot the name of that. This is hydrangea. I hope that I pronounce it correctly. So it is beautiful. Look at that. So maybe next year I will not buy any annual flowering plants. Instead, I will buy perennial plants, perennial flowering plants. Those are iris that my husband and I asked from our friend, our Filipino friend, because she has a lot. So look at that. And this is also chrysanthemum. Look at the beautiful flower. This also I don't know what's the name of this one, but it's a kind of shrub, I think so. Yeah, look at that. So we have also like this one. Yeah, before it's just a bare tree, but now look at that, it's so beautiful now. We bought this bricks at Home Depot, and some also of the plants we bought it at Home Depot. Okay, and then this is the idea of my husband to put cider bricks or cider blocks. Here in Canada they are calling cider bricks, but in the Philippines it's called hollow blocks. We use it in making our houses back home. You will put cement here so that it will become stronger, but here instead my husband decided and to put flowering plants like this one. This is mini roses from Home Depot, and some of the also perennial plants, so that in winter times, winter time, all the plants will be protected, and so that during summer or spring they will bloom again as beautiful as this one. This one is plant is also flowering plant. It blooms a color yellow flower. We also bought this one at Home Depot. Look at that. Mini roses, so beautiful. Okay, we still need to put some plants here. Okay. See, during at night it's so beautiful because this is a solar light, so you don't need to you just let it like solar panel. So this is also cactus. Look at that. Look at that. That's our beautiful garden that my husband, my mother-in-law, and all of us, I think, work so hard so that we will attain this beautiful garden. Look at that. Maybe we will make another video. I will also show you our vegetable garden at our backyard. We have a lot of vegetables there, and hopefully we can harvest before the end of the summer. So hope you enjoy our video. So if you like it, click the bell button, hit like, and please subscribe to our channel. Deep Hydro family, thank you so much.